So what's up guys, here girl basically mission for my channel subscribers. Welcome everyone, and if this is your first time here, consider subscribing, support your girls. So here today, see where we are going to cook from. You can drop a sweet comment if so. We have to prepare first this place here so that we can. So we have to arrange the stones. This thing is so heavy. Oh, we should put something from here. And arrange the next one like this. They're cooking with 3 stones and the one. Oh Jesus. Yeah. So today we are going to cook with this one here. You see this one here is a pot. I put it like, and I love to put it here so that I see, and you have to be careful or else it will break. So I see like it is sounds nice, like so. Drop a sweet comment, otherwise let's continue moving here. So what we have to do is just to put on the fire, and the soil is like wet, so I have to put the the pepper on the floor, and then we put the fire going. Today we are going to cook. I'm like, wow, today I'm going to cook with the pot here. Now look away, like, so I have to start the fire. Stop there. Oh, this one is wet. Oh. See, this one here is to protect the wind from getting away the fire, like. Ooh. Because I need hot warm water to boil first. Like. Yeah. So guys, here the water is boiling. I just need like warm water, but I still see like it's getting ready, so I have to cover it in a way. Yeah, it's amazing. So here I have. Hello guys, what I have to do is these are the sailing fish, the omena, and I have to remove just because I bought them from the market, so I have to like kudondoa them to side, to put some research so that you may end up cooking with the snails. So I've seen like I should keep like one once so that you will cook a nice time. Yeah. Drop a seed comment if you have ever done this at your place. You cook this small fish, see how it is. It's very small, very tiny, like. Yeah, this one, the big one, I don't know where it came from. So you see, like, this is the bad stuff that we have to remove it out. This is like snails, so you have to be careful what you are going to cook, because if it could have been from the supermarket, they could have been very clean. They have already set them outside, like. But then here, this is what we usually do here at the village. Yeah. So this is the bad one. You can give them to the chickens, maybe. I don't know. So these are the sailing fish. I love to wash them with cold water. Cold water. So what we have to do, we have to put the oil because like it is, yeah, it is ready. I put the oil and I'm using the drop a sweet comment if you usually use this oil, like, yeah. You have to be careful. You have to be careful while putting the firewood, otherwise you will break the pot. Yeah. So I'm using ginger and I have to put a small portion of it. I'm using ginger. I'm not using onion. I'm going to use ginger here. So look. So we start, I'm going to use we start like yeah. Now the ginger is ready. Remember we are cooking with the ginger and it is ready here, so I'll have to put the remember you can not hear chua because it is a pot. Yeah. So we start. In a slow mode, yeah. So mostly in our tradition, when you are cooking with a pot, they used to kneel down because it was like a kind of honor. It was like a kind of honor. That's why you see me sometimes I find myself kneeling down, like, yeah, like that. After that, I put salt. Add salt. Yeah. After adding salt, you stir like. So I'm going to use the tomatoes and I'll have to wash them first. So you add the tomatoes. Yeah. Remember, I am just mixing the tomatoes first because I wanted to use the same pot, like, yeah. And you have to be careful, not like banging the pot. Wow. Let's see if the sauce is ready. I have to cover it in a minute, like 10 minutes, and then shall do the stuff, like, yeah. Wow. So what's up, guys? This is my village home here, and today it seemed like I should cook from here and see how it looks. It is very green, think the time now is around 1, like maybe, because you see the sun is over here. So this is how it looks. This is the village here. It's very green, as you can see. Like, these are some corn, but they gather later. Like, that's our gate there. Also, this is my parents' home. Like, so these are the jerry cans we usually use when it has rained. Like, yeah. And my parents' house, it is that old. It's very old. It's very old. Maybe sometime we may see what we can do with it, maybe. So this is it. Drop a sweet comment. Drop a sweet comment what you think about this video here, what you feel about this video. Today I'm cooking live from the village, outside my parents' home, outside my late parents' home. So it's a kind of time here. We have to remember our house here. I don't want to leave it just like that, because I have also to see, like, I should come here and do some stuff outside my parents' home, so that maybe everything would have been square, so that remembering also is a good portion. Like, thank you. Drop a sweet comment. Hope you enjoyed the video. I know you have amazing friends. You can share if you want to share. You can share me on your community if you have a community, so that more subscribers. Don't miss to subscribe, because we are heading to 2,000 subscribers. Please go subscribe to this video. It's amazing, because it's my first time cooking with a pot. Like, that's why I so like I should share with you. So thank you so much. Yeah. So this is my bat here. This iron sheet is set to protect the fire from taking away from the wind. Like, so I have lemon, and I have to put like a lemon juice inside. We do it in a local way, like put a lemon juice inside. Yeah. Yeah, that is it. And then you stir a little bit. So when you are putting out of oil, just hold it there. They say the ears of the pot. Come closer, I show you the ears. This is the ears of the pot. Then we have to hold like this, and then you remove it. You put it in a safe place, like, yeah. That is it. So thank you so much. Hope you have enjoyed this video here. We may end up this video here. Continue watching until the end. If you have not subscribed, go do it. And we are bringing amazing videos from the village here. Okay, bye bye. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Ciao ciao. Bye bye. I love you all.